The good news, plenty of people are stepping up to help families impacted by last weekend's tornadoes, including a group from North Carolina.
News 2's Miranda Whittington introduces us to Samaritan's Purse and shares more on the work they're doing to help Middle Tennessee.
My dad would plant them all in the pots and out in the yard.
For the last 53 years, this is the place Kelly Hammock Murphy and her family have called home.
I can't believe it. It's crazy. Just what a few minutes of a tornado can do, and then it's over.
A few minutes is all it took for a tornado to destroy the backyard her father spent years working on.
My dad planted every tree in the backyard and out front.
But all of that stopped earlier this year when Murphy lost her father.
We're still mourning since April. So, and then this. So we're hoping that next year will be a better year because we've been through it a lot this year.
Then Saturday, a tornado ripped through Hendersonville while her 89-year-old mother sat in her home and waited things out.
She said it was scary, hearing everything outside, hitting the windows and, flying everywhere and stuff.
Part of the roof was damaged and the backyard littered with debris. Until a group of volunteers stepped in to help.
We saw the tornadoes start to come through the Middle Tennessee area, and we knew then that we needed to probably come and assess and look and see what kind of damage there was.
Jody Yoder is the program manager for Samaritan's Purse, a Christian relief organization based out of North Carolina. For the next 2 weeks, volunteers will be out cleaning debris, putting tarps on roofs, and overall helping families clean up and move forward after these tornadoes.
By cleaning up their yard, even just the little things, raking, cleaning up the debris and taking that to the curb, that just gives them a little normalcy again, especially here at Christmas time.
It's a small gesture that means so much to Murphy and her family as they work to move forward.
I'm very grateful to these people, to Samaritan Purse. When they called me and I was here going, oh, that's awesome. Lord's helpers.
Now, if you were impacted by the tornadoes and would like assistance from Samaritan's Purse, you can find more information on how to get in contact with them on our website at WKRN.com. Haley?